This topic is about the dividing polynomial by the binomial. Okay, for the first step, I want you to think about that this equation has order in the descending form or not, from the highest degree to the lowest, right? From the number 1, it's already ordered in descending order. So what we're gonna do? Since we know that 2m squared minus m minus 3 is divided by m plus 1. So we're gonna write m plus 1 here and put the division sign here, and the dividend is 2m squared minus m minus 3. Okay, for the first step, I'm gonna take the first term of dividend, that is 2m squared, divided by the first term of divisor, that is m. It's gonna be 2m. So I will put 2m here. And after that, you have to think about what is 2m times m plus 1. It is 2m squared plus 2m. So I will write down 2m squared plus 2m. After I got this one, I have to subtract this number and this number. 2m squared minus 2m squared is 0. Negative m minus 2m is negative 3m. And after that, I have to bring down minus 3 here. Next, I'm gonna do with the first thing, that this time the first term of dividend is became negative 3m divided by m. It is negative 3. So I will put negative 3 here, and I will find out what is negative 3 times m plus 1. It is negative 3m minus 3. I will put here. And we have to subtract them. And finally, I got the remainder as 0. Okay, how can we answer this one? We have to write out as the quotient 2m minus 3, and then plus the remainder dividing by m plus 1. Since the remainder is 0, right? Then we can write out as the quotient as 2m minus 3. Okay, for the next one, 3b to the power 3 minus 10b squared plus 4. You see, we have a missing term. What is the missing term? It is just b, or to the power 1. Then I have to rearrange the first as 3b to the power 3 minus 10b squared plus 0b plus 4. Okay, and after that I will do the same thing, that is 3b minus 1 as a divisor. Put the divide sign and 3b to the power 3 minus 10b squared plus 0b plus 4. Okay, thinking about what is 3b to the power 3 divided by 3b. It is b squared. So I will put b squared here. And next, what is b squared times 3b minus 1? It is 3b to the power 3 minus b squared. Then I will put here. And subtract. 3b to the power 3 minus 3b to the power 3 is 0. Negative 10b squared minus b squared. Minus and minus is plus. It's gonna be negative 10 plus 1. It is minus 9b squared. After that, I will bring down the plus 0b here. Okay, next. Negative 9b to the power 2 minus 3b. It is negative 3b. So I will put negative 3b here. And then negative 3b times 3b minus 1. It is negative 9b squared plus 3b. Put here. And subtract. This one and this one is 0. 0 minus 3b. It is negative 3b. And then I bring down 4. Plus 4 here. So, okay. What is 3b? Negative 3b minus divided by 3b. It's gonna be negative 1. So I put negative 1 here. And I will find that negative 1 times 3b minus 1. It is negative 3b plus 1. Okay, and then minus 3b plus 1. Subtract them. 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. What does it mean? It means that we have the remainder as 3. So what is the answer? The answer is the quotient, that is b squared minus 3b minus 1 plus the remainder is 3 over the divisor is 3b minus 1. Finish.